Hey, this is Mahu and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I will discuss about how to install Laravel on cpanel. Many of cpanel user does not know how to install Laravel on cpanel. To do this, you have to log in cpanel and search software and select software's apps install. Apps installer, and from here you have to search Laravel under framework menu. Here Laravel, click on Laravel. Now click on install now, and then select domain or subdomain from here. Okay. And okay, remove the directory, and so that we can install the Laravel on a subdomain called Laravel. So the URL will be laravel.mahbub.me. So click on install. You can write your mail address here, so that a installation detail will mailed to your mail address. Click on install. It here is a error. PHP version is less than 7.1.3. So this Laravel need Laravel version need 7.1.3 version. So you can check this here. Do you wish to enable PHP 7.1.5? So click on it and again click on install. In my next video, I will show you all how to select PHP version for a specific cpanel domain or subdomain. So install is completed. Now we have to go our subdomain and check it. Click on here. So it's a message Laravel is installed successfully, and it will redirect to a public folder. So see it, Laravel is installed. By this way you can install Laravel very easy way on your domain or subdomain via cpanel. I hope this video will very helpful for developers. Thanks for viewing this video. For more video tutorial update, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell button. Thanks.